Hi everybody. Today we both have Ipsy bags.
I haven't been paying attention either.
This is Stephanie's first one. So do you want to go first?
You do.
Okay. She just signed up and you have a palette as a free gift for signing up in there. I do know that. But I don't know what else is in there.
She likes opening her everyone's packages because, she knows
Alright. I didn't get any add-ons this time, so I just have what's in the bag. But let's see. Because of course I don't remember what they showed me in the email. So, on the card it says the future is yours. Glow your own way.
You can glow your own way.
Yeah. Okay, now it does have some descriptions of some products on here, but I'm not sure if that's what I have in here or not. But we'll see. Alright, so first is from Glamglow. It's called Bright Eyes.
What I don't have.
This is an eye cream. There it is. Okay, it's always nice to get eye cream. So let me see if that's in here. No. So this is just a general description of some new types of products. It's hot out here. Alright, and then this is what I chose. The Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Cream. I chose this because I have the Sunday Riley A+ serum, and I also have the glycolic one that I got both of those from my new beauty test tube. So I chose this to go along with those, so I can have a little set to try out of Sunday Riley. And then next is, it's called Skin Regimen Micro Algae Essence. Oh, I didn't open the Sunday Riley. Let me at least look at it. Oh, there it is. I don't know how to describe it.
It just smells like cream.
Yeah. It feels nice. Okay, I guess I'll do some. The next is the Skin Regimen. Look to the plain leaves.
Just
The Skin Regimen Micro Algae.
Algae.
Whatever.
No, I don't mean it like that.
Essence. This is Energizing Illuminating Lotion. Oh, it's lotion. I guess it has some little sparkles in it.
Lotion from the ocean because it got the algae. And my phone ain't no algae in it.
Okay, anyways, it used to be. Okay, there's the lotion. Alright. And then we have, it's called, it says be a roller baby in your incredible rollerball gloss.
What?
Yeah, it was raining. Okay, way back when I was about your age and younger, most lip gloss was like this. It was like, it came in a little roller ball, and you would roll it on your lips, you know. It smells good. A lot of times they would smell like candy and sweet stuff, fruits and stuff, you know. So it's nice, a little bit of nostalgia. And then the last thing is whatever this is. A little cube inside of some bubble wrap. Powder eyeshadow. Okay. That's what it says on the back. Oh, there it is. It's a pretty eyeshadow color. Oh, I like that. That's a beautiful coppery. Oh, the rain is coming down.
It's going to be a bit much now.
Yeah, I hope it doesn't get on.
Can't get through mine.
Yeah. Okay, so for me, I got the eyeshadow, the Skin Regimen Micro Algae Essence Lotion, the Rollerball Lip Gloss, the Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Cream, and the Glamglow Bright Eyes Eye Cream. All right, Bunny, let's see what you got.
I'm trying to rush through this real quick.
Yeah, with rain. I don't want.
So first we had the bubble wrap, my favorite part. And then we have the Miami Eyeshadow Palette by Shayna B. Miami.
I was wondering what palette you would get because I knew
I have
you
no
would get
idea
a
who that
palette.
is. So
Yeah, but well, you'll find out now.
it has a mirror built in on a small dimensional thing. And then it has her logo on the actual pieces of eyeshadow.
Oh, pretty.
And it's kind of like a neutral palette with some sparkly colors in it. So mostly neutral.
That's nice. You don't have a lot of neutrals, huh?
Not like that, I guess. And then I thought there's something else.
Is something else outside of the bag?
And then I have this bag, kind of like hers, like this
They're
chrome
the same.
looking thing. And then this thing that says "Glow Your Own Name." Glow your own, yeah. So then, beside this, we have. Oh, and I really like this, so I'm glad I had this. Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. It has 1.5 celiac acid, so it's sort of. I keep showing it to the microphone. So yeah, it has. If you know, celiac acid is meant to help like pimples and stuff. So then
Oh yeah.
I have, hey honey, take away the drama, what I need at work. So, youth boosting honey and copper peel off mask,
Oh,
what I need
peel
every
off
day.
mask. Okay.
So it's great. 2 things that I need every day. And yeah, exfoliates to lift away impurities and drama. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this every day, all skin tight. All right. So.
All skin types, all drama types.
All drama type. AM to PM by Lottie. I like the name Lottie for no reason. Lottie. And it's from London. It's some type of makeup. Black.
It must be an eyeliner.
I think it's an eyeliner because most of them are black and look like that. So then I have something else I need every day.
That's kind of big too.
It says Hemp's, and it says pure herbal extract, triple moisture herbal whipped body cream, or creme, whatever. And that's that.
Okay. Nice. Anything else? Check the
Not
bag.
that I
if you
can
got
see.
something else.
I think that's all that I have in this bag. And then they had the Ipsy logo.
Anything extra in there?
Oh yeah. And in the bag, there's one more thing, and they gave me a little eyeshadow brush.
Oh, good. To go with the palette. That's nice.
Yeah. So this probably goes with the palette for like maybe blending or something, and it is by LA Roos. You can't see that, but LA Roos, made in China.
Okay. All right. So, how do you feel about your first Ipsy?
I like it. I'm really happy about like the facial thing and the body cream the most, and the black eyeliner because I like black stuff. So.
Yeah. So you
and
think
then I hope that the drama thing gets rid of all the drama. Right?
Well, if only getting rid of drama could come in a tube, that would be
I
fantastic.
think it does. So, what were you gonna say?
So do you think you're gonna keep it, or you want this to just be your first bag, your only bag?
Only for now, I guess. Cause
Only for now, what?
I don't want to pay for it. But for now,
So you don't want any more? This will be on, so you can go ahead and
I mean,
cancel if you.
yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna cancel after this?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I might do it again later.
Oh, okay. Well, it was nice doing the Ipsy bag with you.
'Cause I'm
Steph.
ready. Yeah.
All right, I'm glad you like the stuff. Okay, so that's everything that we both got in our Ipsy bags. It was fun, wasn't it? Okay.
Now all the rain says
Yeah,
hello.
the rain and airplanes.
All the bugs.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.